Aurora Cannon is 3 and battling COVID inside an Oklahoma hospital. Her mother is a nurse who says she likely passed the virus to her daughter from an unvaccinated patient. The mother posted these videos on social media to show the world the price her young child is paying, writing, "If you choose not to be vaccinated, you've made a choice for my daughter too. Your choice led to my innocent child being hospitalized." Pediatric intensive care units across the southern U.S. are filling with children diagnosed with COVID who are too young to be vaccinated themselves.
These patients sometimes can't breathe, and we have to help them. We have to help breathe for them.
Since the Delta variant took hold, it's been busy here at Children's Hospital New Orleans in Louisiana, a state where vaccinations are among the country's lowest.
Oftentimes we get to work and before we can even put our bags down, we hit the ground running for the day, and we're in and out of rooms all day, resuscitating kids, giving them oxygen, increasing their support.
U.S. child COVID cases declined in early summer but has steadily increased since July. Last week, more than 120,000 cases were reported in children across the country, a substantial jump from the week before.
We are absolutely convinced that the more people that get vaccinated, the fewer people that will be infected. That's clearly demonstrated, and the fewer children that will be infected.
Deaths remain rare among children with COVID, but doctors fear more children will die as more are hospitalized. After 11 days in the hospital, Aurora is finally well enough to go home. Soon, she and other young children may qualify for vaccinations. OCHSNER Health in New Orleans is studying the Pfizer shots in children under 12. The trial's medical director says the data looks promising and there have been no safety problems in participants.
We have some of the children between the 5 to 11, which are sort of very grown up, and they themselves want to participate. We had a little one and he goes, pull up his shirt, he says, sign me up, 5-year-old.
An application for FDA emergency authorization for that age group is expected from Pfizer in about a month. It couldn't come soon enough for the parents of some children. The challenge will be convincing those who've refused vaccines, even for themselves. Heidi Zhou-Castro, Al Jazeera, New Orleans, Louisiana.